First principles thinking, how Elon Musk builds rockets, and you can solve impossible problems. What if everything you've been taught is wrong? Break free from how it's always been done and rebuild reality from the ground up. The mental model that shatters conventional wisdom. First principles thinking isn't just problem solving, it's reality rebuilding. While most people iterate on existing ideas, e.g., how can we make cheaper rockets? Innovators like Elon Musk ask, what's truly possible if we ignore all assumptions? This method strips away inherited biases, legacy systems, and industry standards to reveal foundational truths. It's not optimization, it's reinvention. From ancient philosophy to interplanetary ambition, Aristotle laid the groundwork 2,300 years ago, defining first principles as the basic propositions that cannot be deduced from any other. But it took SpaceX's Musk to weaponize it for the modern era. Faced with rocket costs 100x higher than raw materials, he bypassed aerospace middlemen, asking, what's a rocket made of? Aluminum, titanium, carbon fiber. What's the market value of those? Let's build it ourselves. The result? SpaceX slashed launch costs from $65 million to $6 million per mission, upending global space economics. Why it's revolutionary? Escape the mimicry trap. Legacy assumptions are innovation kryptonite. For example, tech, before iPhone, phones needed keyboards. Jobs asked, what's a phone's core purpose? Answer, a touchscreen portal to information. Life, work 40 years, retire at 65, is a societal script. First principles asks, what's freedom? How much savings actually buys it? By anchoring decisions in physics like truths, you bypass incrementalism and unlock 10x leaps. Real-world mastery, from lab coats to living rooms. Business. Netflix didn't ask, how do we improve DVD rentals? They rebuilt entertainment around first principles. People want content instantly. The internet exists. Science. Einstein's theory of relativity began with, what if time isn't constant? Daily life. Want lasting fitness? Strip away fad diets. Ask, what biologically sustains human energy? Whole food movement, sleep. Limitations. When to use this nuclear tool. First principles thinking is mentally exhausting, like doing quantum physics at scale. Musk spends 90% of SpaceX meetings dissecting fundamentals, but you shouldn't apply it to trivial choices. Example, what's the atomic structure of my morning coffee? Apply now. The 3-step reality reset. 1. Identify assumptions. Write down every rule about your problem. Example, ad campaigns need huge budgets. 2. Dissect to fundamentals. Ask why. 5 times. Why do we need big budgets? To reach people. Why? Platforms charge per view. Why? They control access. Why not own access? 3. Rebuild from truth. Using only verified facts, design a new solution. Result, Dollar Shave Club's viral $4,500 video bypassed ads, leveraging own media, resulting in 12,000 orders in 48 hours. Final truth. First principles thinking turns impossible into inevitable. As Musk says, don't confuse schooling with education. The goal is to reason from the ground up, not by analogy. Start small. Redefine one assumption this week. The universe rewards those who rebuild it.